Jimmy said, I'm out of here. I don't trade crude. I'm out of here. He said, lame. The crude did reject off this 5-minute fair value gap with a lot of volume up here. And that was a lower area of volume. Not taking it again. We'll wait till market opens. Could add an alert up here. And remember, guys, we got that, we got market, what was it? We got Michigan consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock, 45 minutes. So don't be rushing into any trades right now. Yes, NQ with a little drop lower here. I mean, probably a possible scalp to the downside here, but I'm not taking it. Not a fan. Yeah, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are all doing well. A lot going on lately, and the market is truly strongly reacting. Taking a look at NAS here, I don't really see any price levels. Yes, we got some levels to the downside, all the way to the downside, really. Let's see. We also have some to the upside. Look at that, 55.90. So let's see if we can find some support maybe around 55.74. Or look at the low volume right here, 55.72. 55.72. That's right in demand. 55.72. Where was that? 72. It's like 70. I'd say 72 to about 74. But where does it start? Does it start 72? Thing is, it starts a bit lower than that because the 72 is a low 308, but below that too, 374, 362. We even have a 250 down here. But we don't need to hit all of them. We just need to find a strong imbalance. Oh man, look at crude, guys. Crude stopped me out, but that's all right because I got out of that one contract, came back up, stopped me out. It's moving lower. Those low volume shelves be something. That's all right. I'm gonna wait for ES, possibly ES long trade. $75 strong level on Bookmap. Look, they pulled the rest of the orders. Market opens up when, guys? In 14 minutes. 13 minutes. 30-minute. There's a 30-minute demand zone. Yeah. All right. Damn, crude oil really gonna keep going, huh? Volume profile. There's the point of control is moving lower too. Huge. Unfortunate, but huge. Crude will probably work its way to demand now. Gotta see. Yeah. It's got to get through this this area right here. If we could break through, once it breaks through 66.70, 66.9, 69, probably got a nice little drop. Oh. Gold range bound. ES. Let's check out ES. ES trying to move into that low volume shelf I had marked out. What are we looking at? 55.73. 73 sort of starts that low volume shelf, moves into about 72. I'd much rather wait for market to open. Okay, you caught me by surprise in my brand new whip. All right, let's see.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna sit back and wait on this one a bit.
Right?
Probably feel a little after 10.
But I also don't want to be like, oh, well, no, I have to wait, and then have a real nice move happen. But we'll wait and look for the reaction, look for the market. We do have a green CVD. Don't tempt me. This will be a really boring stream. All right, look at this buyer starting to step in here near this demand zone on ES. How are the time frame analysis looking? We'll see.
Also, especially on Michigan consumer sentiment. I mean, all states don't seem to have this thing.
Yeah, Michigan consumer sentiment's going to be huge.
So here's the deal with my little thing about news events. Institutions, remember that institutions are competitors, all right? They all compete against one another. But most every day they have a market move plan. They plan on really pushing the market one way or the other, but they're competitors, so they don't share their plan. But they do kind of agree on when they're going to execute their plan. Now we don't know that. We don't know what that time is.
I do.
But we generally, based on history, kind of get an idea of when that plan, when they may kick it off. So on a day like today, there are really no big news events other than this Michigan sentiment report. So and if there are multiple events, we usually go with the highest priority one, like FOMC, CPI, stuff like that, would be the event. But now, if the institutions happen to be on the same page, then the markets take off running in whatever direction they're throwing their money into. If the institutions are not on the same page, that's when you see all these swing way high, swing way low, and right back to the middle or something like that. So yeah, they really don't care what the news is in most cases. They just agree on the time. That sounds crazy because you say, well, good news means the market should go up, right? No. Bad news means the markets go down, right? No. It's just there's a news event, and that's all. The market makers or the institutions have got to move plans. If the news is really far out of bounds, meaning we expect a 3% such and such, and it comes in at 10%, that may be different from what they originally planned. But anyway, that's generally what I'm saying. Right. I was more wondering, I've never seen Texas consumer sentiment or Nebraska consumer sentiment. It's always Michigan.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good question there, I'm in North Carolina. How come we don't have NC consumer sentiment, stocks, but anyway, whatever.
I think it's where they do the studies. They do it at the They do it at the University of Michigan. Survey of Consumers, University of Michigan.
Yeah, that makes sense. It's not about the state of Michigan. It's about the place of the study.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's total. It's not just Michigan, it's the total consumer sentiment. But they get their name on it. So ES, finding support in that area I marked out. I did not get my entry because I was looking for us to push into the demand. We literally tapped it. All right, let's see. So again, we're sort of waiting for market to open at this point. It is 9:24. Market opens in 6 minutes. We're going to get a surge of volume. So listen, if we end up moving higher from here and market opens and we get a crazy whiplash lower, while a lot of retail might be looking for shorts at this point, this is the zone I was looking for longs. I'm going to look for a reaction and take a long position here. So we're going to see how we open up, and that'll sort of lead to our decision on longs or or shorts. The 15-minute and the 30-minute also close in 5 minutes, which will also be another big sign and big clue. Crude oil chopping its way downtown, walking fast. No, nobody was going to finish the lyrics from me? All right, fine.
I heard it though.
Nice rejection off that demand zone on ES. Listen, we might hit this, and we might just keep going higher from this point, right? Market could open and we could rally. Market could open and we could chop. I don't know right now, so I'm going to stay out of it right now. We just got to wait until we get a bit more of a clearer picture. Previous day high and low, where we at? We're in its range, so that's also a bit of a tough spot. Let's check out. I want to see performance by weekday on ES. Yeah, right now is when I'll do that. Oh no, we got 5 minutes till market opens. I got time. Look at that. ES strongest days are Fridays. Weakest days are Thursdays. Let's see. Can't really go off previous days range. Could go off green and red days by weekday, and that'll give us a percentage. So mainly Wednesdays are green, while Fridays have been 50-50, right? 52% green. Now, it's not a 44% green like the Thursdays are, so we do still have some support there. Call me pass. Dude, edgeful at everyone like 5 times a day.
All right, if anybody's still trading crude, was it crude? Were y'all doing crude this morning?
Yeah, short crude.
Okay, 66. What is that? 66, 69? Yeah. 66, 69 is your next target low, which is going to be the low at 8 p.m. last night.
Nice. Yeah, I got 66, 63 is a demand zone we created. We created and held already. So, very strong price level there. Gold chopping around. Really just going to be a day of patience today. Until market sentiment or market open. 3 minutes till market opens, 2 minutes, 30 seconds. T minus. Let's make this bread, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's see. Yes. Messing around and finding out, potentially. Two minutes till this candle closes. 2 minutes till the 15, the 5-minute, and the 30-minute candles all close. Okay, so I'm looking for CVD to spike here. I wanted buyers to step in once we dipped into this demand zone. So if we could hit this and start to reverse, I wouldn't object to taking it long. Okay, CVD started to spike. I'll take it lightly. Stop loss at the low we just created. That way, if it does continue lower, I'm just right on out of it. Currently in a long on ES 55.72.25. I like this buyer starting to pick up here. I like CVD, cumulative volume delta, did give us a spike. It went through my demand zone. Very nice entry so far. Minute 16 left for this 5-minute and 15 and 30-minute to close. So I wanted us to continue higher on the 15. This might line up as a really, 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 really clean entry. Gotta be careful with that market open. 54 seconds left. I almost want to close it out before market opens for a scalp up here to play it safe. But if we do, see again, CVD has been green. If we do continue higher, we get a strong candle close on the 15-minute, and I wanted it to close up here though, so we really need to move higher for these next 30 seconds. But if we get that, this is a nice trade. If we don't, then I'm just stopped out. Here we go, some sellers stepping back. Just got to be careful, got to be patient. I know my risk on this right now. 18 seconds left, looking like it's going to stop me out. Yep, stopped out. That's all right. Very small loss. Now we could wait for market to open. Now we could be a bit more patient. Actually, let's get that back there. 1 second. All right, that's a tough open right there, guys. Definitely at a level of support, thinking we move higher from here. But the 30-minute closed pretty bearish. Everything did close pretty bearish. Hourly looks good, like it might want to continue, though.
The 15 just filled in a 15-minute. The ES just filled in a 15-minute gap.
Yeah. And CVD is still green positive, but I wouldn't. Candlestick price action is telling me we might not continue, so I'm not taking it. Gotta remember, guys, consumer sentiment coming up soon. So we could wait for the 15-minute orb. We could wait for so much right now. We could wait for waiting right now. I might look to see. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I was gonna say if we want to sweep this down here, right here. Some good buying volume trying to come in though, but it's keep getting rejected. Look at that, it's struggling, guys. We're staying patient. When our order flow says one thing and our candlesticks say another, we just gotta wait. There we go, crude oil with the drop. We're looking for crude oil to drop through 66.69 and then go hit demand around, I don't know, around 66.63. Truth man. There we go. We're going to be waiting, guys, for the 15-minute candles to close on ES and NQ, because right now the 15-minute candle closures have been bearish. So the market just opened right here. If we're going to reverse higher, then this 15 will have no problem closing higher. If we're going to struggle, this 15 is going to be struggling and pulling back. And I don't want to be trying to go long just because we look a little green every now and then. Use your time frame analysis. Use some patience. Trade thoughtfully. Trade patiently. We're range bound right now. Very strong support down here. Don't get me wrong. There's good support down here. I just don't find it ideal, the price action we have right now. CVD has still been green. NAS, look at NAS right now. Stronger than ES. NAS is pumping higher. How's VIX is chopping right now? Not giving us a idea. I'd like to see maybe 55.68. 55.68. Because it's heavy on bookmap. And low volume. There we go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, we hit that 15-minute demand. Actually, is that going to be our entry? Let's see. This is tough, man. This is tough. Oh man, Like, I want to take this. I'll take it light, but, like, I really needed ES to push higher, too. I hate when ES is leading weaker and Naz is pushing stronger. There we go. Okay. Nah, come on, give me a pump, give me a pump. I'll get out of one real quick for a nice quick. Oh, wow, okay. That's fine. I ain't tripping. Keep going, baby. That wasn't news. I'm out. I'm out with that strength. That was crazy. I'll take that. Beautiful. Oh, man. Yo, no kidding. No kidding, guys. Ooh. Sniper mode. Killing it lately, guys. Love it. Absolutely love it. Damn. Oh, man. Exit too soon on that. That was crazy, though. That was a beautiful trade. Sorry about that, Marziti. I didn't expect that pop to come up there. Yeah, I was tight. Damn. Yo, Bookmap gives some phenomenal entries. That was crazy, dude. Did you take any trades on that? Good, good, good. It's still good to be patient, too. Listen, this one move, that's not going to be the whole move. If we're getting a move, we're going to get a move. Let's see. We got low volume up here at 55.80 for potential target. That's great support down here on ES. Here comes that 55.80. No way. 55.80 target hit. 0.50 away. It's wild, man. Dude, those entries at 69. Ooh. Great, great stuff. Great work. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is insanity. I'm so disappointed that I got out. That was crazy, man. That would have been like a 7-1 right there. I got out for like a 3-1. But dude, wild trades, wild stuff. All off of demand. Nice swag. Oh, and check it out, guys. Crude oil, it broke that 69. Then look at that rejection right off of demand. So hey, good morning, everybody. Good morning, guys. What's going on? Killing the ES this morning. Damn. Damn. Gold breaking through a sell side liquidity. Gold back below 3,000. I can't believe this, guys. This was huge. Right off of this, right with the CVD rising higher too. I mean, beautiful, guys. Really putting the pieces together on some A-plus setups using Bookmap and our supply and demand. Wow, and we're going to get that liquidity sweep? Yeah? Damn, 55.88. Guys, entry was 55.69.50. 59.69.50 with a stop loss at 55.67.50. A 2-point stop loss for an 18-point gain. And I got out for like, oh my god, I got out for like 8 points. Oh my goodness, it's still going. Amazing. Higher lows. Look at that. It was perfect. It was buying the low of the range, selling the highs. That's what's up. Don't go chasing it up here. A lot of people taking off up here. Bangers. Bullishbrs bangers. Holy crap, we're still going. Wow. Yeah, imagine trading like a SPY contract, like a SPY 0 DTE on that. If that was like a $3 or $4 move, that would have been nuts. It might be. Went from down here, 56 to 58. Yeah, $2 move. Crazy. Cray. Oh, great trading. Okay, good. I was gonna say, no way trading view's gonna do this to me. Look at the rejection off the top of that supply zone. And off of that pre-market key level on ES. That's why we don't chase the highs. Oh, man. Whew. Okay, some buyers stepping in. So what I would look for on ES now is this 55.80 level. 55.80. Do 78 stop loss. Look for new high a day. Now let's also do a quick analysis on ES, just to get an idea if we're missing any supply or demand zones to the upside. Damn, it's definitely taking its time today. Right, we did have potentially this 1 hour supply zone right here. I say potential because it could be the top of our range. Look, last time we were in here, price rejected. But we've been in this zone long enough that it drained a lot of its liquidity. And that's sort of what keeps those zones strong. Head alert here. Look at that. Gold swept both liquidity levels, trying to reverse now. Strong price level 2291.80. Damn, ES, that's crazy. Why isn't my volume on here? Oh, because it's lagging. Did TradingView have an update? Dude, that was a wild ES trade. Holy cow. Entry, at least. Next entry is going to be either 55.80 or if we could retest demand again. My computer has an update. Maybe that's making it slow today. Let's check out NASDAQ. Has NASDAQ been rejecting or respecting our zones? Yeah, look at this blue zone we had marked out. That was a 30-minute demand zone that I said we'll keep an eye on. Wasn't as strong, but let's check it out. Basing, rally, continuation. We end up pulling back to it, and we held it. So that was pretty clean too, right? So ES and NQ were both at support. Another form of the confirmation that helped us take that long trade on ES. A lot telling us to take that trade. Bookmap price level of support. Demand. NQ being at support or some type of demand zone. This blue one down here. Very good stuff. Higher lows being formed. CVD was already green. Really want to pull back here to 55.80 for an entry long on ES. YouTube, make sure you guys hit that like button if you took any trades today. Discord, let me hear you guys. You guys take any trades today?
Just paper.
Just some paper? Making paper with paper? Listen, paper trades are still trades. Did you, were they successful trades? What trades were they?
I gave part of the ES trade.
Cool. There we go. ES with some strength. Target 55.95. Wow. Is it going to continue? How's the 15 and 30 minute time frame? And why is my trading view taking so long to load? I'm just changing time frames. I'm not doing anything that crazy. Let's see. So all candles are going to be looking green, right? Because we're at new high a day right now. So it's a very strong move. Look at that. There we go. Coming near that 55.95 right now. Point away. It's going to hit it. That's why trading view is so laggy today. Because we've just been bullish like crazy. Give me one sec, guys. All right, ladies and traders, I am back. Let's see. God damn, yes, 5,600. Wow. Wow. Yeah, that CVD is no joke. Cumulative volume delta. If that's going higher, we're going higher. If it's going lower, we're going lower. Volume moves markets. It's wild, man. Tough to gauge an entry up here. So that's why we're just going to wait. Got to wait for some type of pullback. Yo, what up, Ricardo? Nothing much, man. We killed ES, dude. Our entry long on ES this morning, right down here in demand, 55.69.50, and it gave us like a weird ass pop like immediately after entry. So I ended up getting out like right away, sort of near over here for 3-to-1 risks or reward. I'll take it. I ain't complaining. But I mean, damn, we definitely could have held a winner. 2-point stop loss, so like anything above 20 points is over a 10-to-1 risks or reward. It was clean, man. Bookmap, great tool. Along with levels, of course. Your own analysis with Bookmap is all that should be needed. Let's see. Damn, ES is going crazy, man. Non-stop, can't stop, won't stop. Did we get Michigan prelim? We didn't even get consumer sentiment yet, guys. So this whole move we got right here, prior to Michigan prelim, imagine we got it and we just dropped all the way back down. So let's be patient. Let's wait. Let's see. Maybe our market participants. What's that? 10 a.m. Eastern. So in about what do we got? 12 minutes, 11 minutes, 10 minutes. I wonder if they're pre-pricing it in though, because they know people are going to be waiting for it to hit. That they're pre-pricing in that we're going to get a strong report or something. Did you hear that Trump apparently announced that his plan is for anybody making less than 150K a year to pay no taxes? Oh, wow. Well, he's saying that now, and then he's gonna make like minimum wage like right above 150K. No, I'm just kidding. Damn, ES is going crazy. 56.05 next target, and we're just going right to it. Yo, this is
What's the state tax rates in the U.S.?
I'm in New York, so
State.
god awful.
It depends on the state, but basically, I think it's like a $3 million. I think it's a weird number, but you don't pay much in a state tax until you cross $70 million.
Guys, I just want to mention, I said in pre-market prep today, when we were down here, opening down here around 55.78, 55.70, I said, I know we're going to hit 56.22 today with the news. Now look at us, 56.02, only 20 points away from that. That is wild. Wow. Damn, man. I'm going to have to review the hell out of this trade so I could hold this winner longer. Imagine a 15-1 risk to reward. I mean, this thing's still going, so we're probably going to see 56.10, probably going to see 56.20. Wild. CVD, nice and green. Never. NASDAQ killing it too. I mean, we had NAS zone, came right off of. ES zone came right off of. Great stuff today, everybody. Great. I said too this morning, pre-market prep, it's been a choppy week. Hopefully we get a nice trend today. We should get a nice trend today. Ta-da. You're welcome, guys. Our Friday gift. Nice. Let's see. 55.80. I'd like 55.80 for an entry, but we do have the Michigan consumer sentiment coming up in 7 minutes. No trades until then. Next setup we're looking at is 55.80. What's cool too with the CVD that I liked and I saw today a few times is that it sort of spikes when that buying volume accumulates or selling volume accumulates. So we'll get that spike sort of a second near where the price actually starts to spike and reflect that. So it's also like a sort of a trigger to take that long or short entry. So very good stuff. Good stuff today, guys. Great work. Happy Friday. Oh my god, I'm keep changing time frames to show something different. and it's keep taking like a day and a half to change time frames. Never leave me alone. Nice, nice. No, we'll go to the 5-minute for the consumer sentiment. Hey, what's going on? What up, Big Mike? I'm up shorting Bitcoin, average 83K. Let me pull up Bitcoin for us. Oh, nice. Crude getting in its zone, but let's see Bitcoin. You do Bitcoin or Bitcoin USDT? Some people do USDT. That's the one I think I have marked out. Oh, we're lagging bad. Volume's going crazy right now. News in 5 minutes, guys. This is wild price action today. CVD started to look at that curve up. That strong curve. That equity curve. Haha. It's not looking like it's coming up. Was that Big Mike YouTube? Hopefully it pulls up at some point. TradingView has been really laggy today. So just give it a moment. I'm probably gonna have to refresh. There we go. Why does it do both? Oh, symbol, that's why. All right, let's see. I'm gonna keep us. I'll make sure we're on ES and NQ. See another bounce. Bitcoin, USB, Coinbase. Gotcha. Yeah, I would pull it up no problem, but it's really being a pain right now, and I don't want to get us on a stuck screen when the consumer sentiment comes out. But I'll make sure to pull up Bitcoin back after. Well, let's see if I get at least crude oil back here. And then I'll see if I could get Bitcoin USD up there. And this leg is no joke. Big sell bubble right here. Look at this negative delta, 350 right there. 4 minutes, guys. 3 minutes till we have consumer sentiment. Make sure we're keeping an eye on that. Your trading view is bad too? Yeah, I hear you, bro. It's definitely because of the news and the extra volume we have today. Discord, you guys dealing with trading view issues today too? A little bit? Marziti?
I'm not using it, so I don't know.
What do you use for charting?
Thinkorswim a lot of times there simply because it's free to me. I still got accounts there.
Oh, gotcha.
I pulled it up last night and played with it. It is by far one of the best charting programs out there. No way.
Thinkorswim or TradingView?
Trading view.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Both of them really are. I love Thinkorswim. My TV has been slow all week. Okay, all right. Not alone on it, guys. Definitely because of this volume and market. Look at this sell-off right here. No support under us. Free fall time. I'm gonna make my money. I'm waiting for it, man. Yes gave us the potential for an extraordinary trade, and I took it for an extraordinary scalp. Gotta make it back. Look at this sell-off here, though. CVD falling out the sky, price falling out the sky. 2 minutes left. We might keep pulling back, guys. Look at this low volume area we just entered. 55, like 90, what's that, like 92 to about 95. This was a lot of volume came in here. We found it as support here. See if we can find it as support here. I don't think we are. This volume is just crazy to the downside. And again, we don't have any support here. We have news in T-minus 1 minute. You all right?
I'm out, guys. Made my profits for the day. Have a good weekend.
Hey, get it, bro. All the best. Have a great weekend. All right, guys. 58 seconds left. We see they're pulling the book thin because they're expecting a large volatile move, as are we. We're just waiting. People are exiting positions. That's what the sell-off is coming from. Volume hasn't been crazy to the downside. People are just exiting. People do not want to be in any trades right now. Understandably so. 30 seconds left until we have our consumer sentiment. Excited to see how the ES will trade. Do you guys want to see ES or ES and NQ?
You've been charting ES, so it's good for ES.
All right. And spike up to new high a day. Now I'm hoping we get a dump to like this zone right here. Oh shit. Well, it dumped to that zone for sure. Don't trade this, guys. Please, I beg of you. Do not trade this.
Alright, we get the trend line. Back to the trend line. Let's see if we're gonna reject or break it.
Buy season. I knew it. God damn it. Nah, we're waiting. We're waiting. We're not touching this, guys. This is wild volatility. Wild volatility. Insanity. Oh, man. Got rid of this whole bull move in a matter of 10 minutes. Oh, we just hit this level, though. This zone down here. I like that. I'm considering longs, but this is too volatile. And we're green on the day, so I don't want to be dumb. I think we move higher, though, from here. I would take it long here, stop loss like 70. But I don't like it. I'm not taking it, not doing it. CVD still green. There we go. Oh, there I am trying to change time frames again. Expecting to move down. I know, you know what? I was expecting us to continue higher on that, but you know what? We had that strong rally. We had news. That news gave us a huge wick lower, completely stopping out anybody who was long on this bull run. And that's why I think we are getting the reversal now, because we had a huge stop hunt, and now we could continue higher. Yo, I want to look at the 1 minute time frame, but clearly I'm going to have trouble with that. 55.75 would be a nice entry point for possible longs. A lot of buying delta right here. Knights will play.
Also, the fair value gap. It cleared that fair value gap on the big move, but it's hanging there. Got a volume profile line just below it at 76 and a quarter.
As you ride my side, creeping by, and while I was creeping by. There we go, buyers. CVD still green. If that could push over 7,300, there it is. I was with your friend. All right. They pulled they didn't pull support. It looks like they did when you pulled back. The point of control is 55.75, so that's why I was looking for an entry down there. There's those buyers, the support, beautiful. Now we do have low volume sitting up here from 55.92 to about 55.95. Like right over here. Gold had a bit of a volatile move. Gold has been choppy lately, so we're not touching gold. Gold's at all-time highs. It's when it gives its worst price action. I'm thinking we're squeezing here for a pop in one direction. I'm thinking it might go bear, but I'd like to see buyers continue. I'll tell you right now. Go.
Volume level at 89.75.
I do like the 15-minute time frame. Check this out. Oh, I can't even show the 15-minute because it's gonna lag forever. And all my homies say more do. Oh, moving higher. We'll see it in a second. Oh my goodness. 15-minute basing candle right here. Sell-off candle would look for continuation. Now this 15-minute doesn't close for another 10 minutes and it could flip back higher.
If it goes north, 55.98 is your target north. There's a volume node there.
Oh yeah, I'm looking. Look.
55.76.
I'm looking for possible shorts right up in here. 55.92. Low volume area up here. 55.92, 55.95. Right where this red zone is, I marked it. Okay, let's see. CVD is still green though, at 8,000 on the CVD. So definitely got to be careful on any shorts right now. I'll take it. We'll go light in size because of how the 15-minute time frame was lining up. If we fail to move lower from here, let's see how we'll be looking. We do have some resistance up here. My stop loss is currently 55.95. It might just stop me out. Yeah, stop that right there. We're just gonna wait a sec, guys. This could be the entry right here, really. But we're gonna wait 1 second. Because remember, CVD has been very bullish. 8,600 now. There we go, huge. I want to see sellers step in. I do. I want to see this as a huge buy trap. I'm taking it short again here. Get out of 1 con, holding 2 cons. Got to be careful. $98 stop loss. Looking like it might want to run to it, and that's okay. I already got out of 1 contract to lock in some gains. Was looking for that 15 to continue lower. There we go. Some selling pressure. There we go. Some good selling volume. Nice. Nice. Let's see. Does it want to have follow through, or are we going to create a higher low, though? Remember, CVD is still green, but trying to struggle lower. Huge, huge. Let's trap those buyers to the upside. Let's flip this 5-minute red. Let's go. Let's go. I want to see this 5-minute flip red. Huge. Huge. Oh my goodness, guys. Huge. Let's go. Let's go, sellers. Holy crap. 5-minute flipped red. Let's see if we get another dive here. Holy cow. I got to get out there, guys. Getting out into the strength right there. Great scalp trade right there. Killing it. Killing it, guys. This whole week. Destroying the market this week, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Might have gotten out too soon on this. It might keep going. That's okay. This was a great trade. Nice scalp. Great way to end the day. I saw this. We had support here, and the CVD is still in the bull side. So that's why I got out for a scalp. Even though, yeah, we could continue, it was sort of, I don't have all my eggs in the same basket on that trade. And when that's the case, that's when I know to turn it into a scalp. This long trade, CVD was green while we were pushing lower. So that was in our favor. This one, we were short while CVD is still green. It is pushing lower, but it is still in the green zone. I felt like I should have scalped him. When you have that feeling, you have that gut intuition, when you have your system in line, that's when you have to listen to it. We have to trade thoughtfully and really clever, right? Remember, the market could wick wherever it wants to wick. We just wicked up higher. All these people trying to buy this reversal back higher ended up reversing on. They stop out, and now they're selling the market, probably pushing us lower to that 55.75 next. That was a crazy nice short trade. Guys, crazy nice long trade this morning, and crazy nice short trade this morning. Really good stuff. I did get chopped up the first short entry right here. I should have been more conscious of the 5-minute time frame itself and waited for this break higher, because a lot of people were looking for this 5-minute fair value gap to go short, where they would have had their stop loss when we break it. Whereas we have to be more aware of these zones in the sense that, let's see if we could reject it and then push back lower, right? We want to wait for the reaction. We don't want to be jumping the gun in anything. Wow, craziness. Guys, it is only 10:10. We are beyond done for the day trade-wise, but market is setting up nice. Does look like it wants to continue. CVD is still green, but it is sub 7,000 for the first time in a little while. Crude oil rejected this 5-minute fair value gap again. Very nice. Gold has been range bound. No trade there. There's a nice scalp on ES to the downside. I'm trying to see what my entry was on this short trade on Bookmap, because I'm pretty sure it was 10:05. Yeah, it was right up here, guys. It was with this resistance level and with this low volume shelf, right? We had all this low volume. We have much stronger volume today down here. So when we're away from that volume, a lot of times the market will bring itself back towards that area, whether it's backwards down or back upwards. Look at that, guys. Seller stepping in again on ES for continuation. Sub 6,000 on the CVD now. Boom. Look at this, guys. Are we going to get a sell-off here? I wanted that 15-minute bearish, and that's exactly what we're getting. Damn, man. Another huge trade. Got out a little early. That's all right. Got to trade how we're comfortable. Because then guess what? I might start holding too long, and I might take more losses, right? So trade what works in your system consistently. Look at the support down here. I also wouldn't go short into support down here. It does feel like we're squeezing lower, and we have the volume below to support it, but wouldn't want to take that. Yeah, this was clean, man. That was what a nice setups today. I think we move lower. Got some selling volume, sub 5,000 on the cumulative volume delta, guys. This is what I wanted on the 15. This is exactly what I wanted. Is exactly how it played out. 15-minute basing, sell-off candle. We got that big push lower from the consumer sentiment. A crazy wick higher, which gave us our short entry. Could have been holding this whole time, but took it for a nice quick scalp, quick momentum trade. Nice profits. I try to keep my risk to a minimum 150, 200. So good days are between 6 to 1,000. So got to keep it small. Trade what we know. Trade what we're confident with. Don't play with any profits. Don't think, oh, well, let me take a trade here and I'll trade with some profits I have today. Because then guess what? You're going to lose those profits. When you lose those profits, you're going to feel FOMO because you're going to want to make those profits back because now you're regretting taking that second or third trade. And then it's a domino effect, right? And that's where we have to keep everything in line. Damn, man, read the ES like a book today, though. This is a good stream, guys, to go over. Levels of support down here. They got taken out and we pulled back, right? So these are buyers. All of the red zones below us on Bookmap, these are passive buyers. Any zones above us are passive sellers. So it would be support below us or resistance above us. So that's why whenever we start pushing higher and I see that we aren't forming new zones below us, I know that we're moving higher, but there's no support supporting this move. If we move higher and we're creating new areas and new zones right below, then we are supporting prices being accepted and acknowledged at these levels. Let's see. Some selling pressure. I think we have another push lower here. We have some resistance forming above us. That 15-minute looks good to continue. I mean, if we pulled back, an entry pullback would be 55.91. But I don't think we're going to pull all the way back to 55.91. Because now I want the 15-minute time frame to continue lower. I say 55.91 because we have low volume up here. We could pull back up too. Look at that. We're already at 55.81. Yeah, this would be a huge entry if we could take that trade entry right there. I don't think we're going to. Because again, I'm looking for the 15-minute time frame to continue lower on this candle, which means we could just start dropping right here. That's what I hate about not being able to switch between time frames super quickly. Maybe if I put ES over here. There we go. So look at ES on the 15-minute right here. I want us to continue lower on this 15, right? And maybe even create a fair value gap, which would look something like that. But right now, imbalance price level is up here. CVD still green. But I am worried we just dump here on the 15. If the CVD starts dumping, I'll grab a short. But would much rather wait for a proper entry. This could be. But I don't want to take a could-be trade. I never want to take a could-be trade. But 5-minute looks good to continue. So any short on a wick would probably be a good entry at this moment. Keeping an eye on the CVD to help trigger in a short position if it gives me a good opportunity. Sub 5,000. CVD struggling to push higher while price is trying to push higher. Some buying accumulation. CVD spike green right there. So we're just waiting on these shorts. What a beautiful day, though. Oh, my goodness. The current range we're in right now, this is the high of the range, this is the low of the range. This is a very small range, though. This is right from 10:12 to 10:19, 7-minute range. A lot of buying delta up here, too, at this 55, 80, 50 level. Really want to see a strong spike on CVD to the downside for a short, but we're actually getting the opposite. We're getting spikes to the upside when we try to go long. How much does Bookmap charge for lifetime? 1,000?
It starts at 2,000, but if you shop around, you can get discounts of like 20%.
Gotcha. Lifetime. Oh, 2,000 and then 9. Oh, so it doesn't start at 2,000. That's the max, it looks like. Right? Because it looks like global plus 2,000 for lifetime, 1990 for lifetime. Cool. Just curious. There we go. There's a CVD drop. But I can't go short in demand. But we're probably getting that dump right here. That's crazy, man. Had that 15 lined up. CVD a little spike back higher. Shorts aren't making it easier today, so that's all right. We're good, guys. We're chilling today. Killing it today. Killing it this week. Proud of everybody. Make sure you guys review your day, review your week, review the setups you took this week, and review what setups worked best for you. You know, did you have a better time trading gold than ES, or vice versa? Did you have an easier time trading longs in a bull trend on gold, or did you have a better time trading ES in a range-bound price action, right? Everybody has different market conditions that they favor due to them being themselves and having their own strategy and system. Nice buying pressure right there. Look at that. That's why I don't go short in demand. They said, got 'em. They came into low volume down here and reversed. Got 'em. Huge got 'em. Now, I'm still waiting on that 15 to close. So, not for nothing. This might be setting up to give me an entry short up here. But CVD pumping higher like that, we'll have to be extra careful. Extra sure. Maybe we'll... I almost want to take it here. I just don't like how the CVD spiked green again like that. If CVD barely moved on this bull trend right here, this little run, then I would take it short right here. But it did move. I'm still basing my analysis off of the 15-minute time frame too. So I could sort of wait for this 5 to close, or at least wait another minute. We have 2 minutes for this 5-minute to close, 7 minutes for the 15-minute to close. 30-minute closes in 7 minutes as well. Oh my god, let me change the time frame really quickly. That was wild. What I'm looking for on the 5-minute right now is what's called a hangman candle. Be a small green body up here, longer lower wick, and then people try to take the breakout long. Once we reverse back lower below the open of that price, that's where the short entry is. But we're really gonna have to see. We have a minute 30 left. That's why we're waiting for the 5 to close, guys. We're really not jumping into anything. We wanted a low volume entry. It was 55.91. Remember that. What's this blue zone? Oh, that's that blue zone. That's the potential 15-minute fair value gap that I was looking at. Now we're running into some resistance up here. Now this might be possibly lining up for a short entry, but we're going to wait. Can you show NQ on the screen? Yeah, sure. Here's the NASDAQ on the right-hand side near a support level right now. So both of them are near a coming off of a demand or a support zone, but both of them have some resistance above head as well. I'm probably going to be taking ES shorts myself, depending on how this 5-minute closes. But if we keep pushing higher from here like we see right now, I'm going to be patient. Because the 30-minute could close bullish. 5 minutes for the 30-minute to close. Got you, Akira. Make sure you guys hit that like button if you're here on YouTube. Yeah, no shorts right now on ES. I'll see if we could push into 55.92, but probably not. Remember though, analysis 15-minute time frame was still short. Let's see. I'll consider a short because again, I'm looking for the 15 to continue lower. Let's see. Ran in some resistance up here. Let's see. If we reject off the zone one more time, I would consider a short. 55.8375 entry. I'm in. In a short ES right here. Not the biggest fan, but I wanted the 15-minute to continue lower, and that's why I'm in this trade right now. I want the 15-minute to push red and close red, and we have 3 minutes left for that. So I would expect this 5-minute to be a red candle for the 15-minute to go red. So 3:30 left, but I also got to be careful because the 30-minute looked like it could be trying to create a basing candle with a long lower wick. So 15 and 30 are sort of going against each other right now. Guess I could call it a scalp right here. It was a nice little entry and quick reaction. But CVD, would want to see that CVD dump here, guys. Want to see it below sub 5,000 again. Equities are selling off. That's good. Good. I want weak equities. Perfect. Nas pushing lower, trying to push. Oh, no, that's crude. Here we go. Yeah, Nas is pushing lower, too. Come on. Come on. Yes, give us a dump. One more huge trade for the day. 246 left on the 5-minute. I'm thinking of getting out here for a scalp. I want to see if we get a good sell-off, though. Here we go. Give us something. Boom. Let's go. Give us another drop right here. Wanted that 15 to go red. It's struggling. I might get out into some momentum down here. Ooh, it's struggling. It's trying to hold. I'm only in one contract right now, so I will wait a second. 2 minutes left in the 5-minute. Moving my stop loss down a little bit. Because, ooh, yeah, see that buying? That's what I was worried about. So if it does move up, I'm just going to stop out of this. But if it doesn't, I want to hold this short while ES moves lower on the 15-minute time frame. See what I'm looking at? I'm looking for this 15 to go red in a minute 30. We have a minute 30 to prove that. We're keep finding support down here, though, and that's a bit of a red flag. We are sub 5,000 on the CVD, which is good, but look at buyers keep trying to step in here. I might just stop out. CVD's not really trying to push green with it. We have 1:09 left. Really want to see a dump here, guys. A dump of just 4 points. Just 4 points on the ES to the downside. 56 seconds left. If it doesn't dump here, I'm just stopping out. Really need to start moving. Moving it. Grooving it. Like sex machine. Rick James. James Brown. It's definitely struggling to move lower, but still sub 5,000 on the CVD. But 36 seconds. Dude, this is a tough spot. Really need that CVD to drop. There we go. Come on, give us something. Give us a dump. Give us a dump. Let's go, baby. Let's go. One more drop. One more drop. Boom. Let's go. Yo, you guys already know. 10 seconds for this 15 to close, guys. 10 seconds. Oh my god. If it chops around, I'm just getting out. Oh, man. That's close. I want to move lower from here. If we start holding, I'm out. I'm out. I got to get out in some strength there. That was crazy. That was a nice little scalp. Good little entry there. But I don't trust it anymore. CVD's struggling. Yep. What's that? Nice. What's his name? Akira project was going on, and YouTube says they caught a NQ2 NQ shorts out for 50 ticks. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Nice short. Oh, I'm glad I got out. Because I was only in one contract. I really didn't want to take a loss on that trade. Took a nice little scalp, adding to today's winner. And that's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. 10:30. Oh my goodness. What a slow ass day today. Oh, yes. Yes, coming back with a vengeance. Damn, look at that. Oh my god, I'm so happy we're out of that. Beautiful. We knew to scalp it because of the CVD. Cumulative volume direction. This might be the area that ES rejects. I'd consider another short here. Oh, shouldn't have. Instant stop loss. Now we're done for the day. Yeah, I see 5,600 is a big one too.
We look at the 5-15 minute on the ES. You see we got a basic candle there, and we break to the top of that basic candle. There's no way I'm gonna fix that from the previous 15.
The same way if you would have told me you had that one.
Nice. I mean, it looks. I would take it short again, but I'm not. We're not playing with capital, ladies and gentlemen. We are smart traders. We are not BS traders. Great trading day, everybody. YouTube, hit that like. Discord, I hope you guys had a green week too. Gotta keep it green. Hope you had a green day. Hope you had a green week. Some nice direction today on ES to the long side, to the downside, everywhere. Everywhere. CVD struggling out here, near level of resistance. Again, I feel like this is a good point for a short, but I don't want to put. Ah, man, dude, it looks good. It does look good. It was like a wild drop. $47 seconds left. We can wait for this 5 to close. We keep coming into this 57.87 area and finding some resistance. So let's see if we want to break it. $25 seconds left. Big buy bubble right there. $10 minutes left on the 15-minute time frame. Now, that's sort of what was keeping me bearish before, but we're going to have to see. Really want to see a drop on the CVD, but that 5-minute looked bullish. Yeah, I think we range bound and try to make another leg right here. But I don't know. Yep. 100%. 100%. Great call, Marziti. I think we want to move to 55.73. Oh, buyers said, hold up, wait a minute. Hold up, wait a minute. We're still in a range. Don't go long at the highs. Don't go short at the lows. I liked it because the 15-minute looked like we where is it? We rejected this 15-minute fair value gap. I want to say we react in 55.87, 55.90. Let's see. Lower volume up here, though, 92, 95. Okay, we're at the top of the range right now. CVD did try to push higher right here, but it's been struggling lately, so we're going to wait and see. Okay, we're breaking previous 5-minute high. Now the question is, do we range bound back into this volume range, or do we actually want to break out towards new high a day? There we go. We're getting a bit of a break. We're entering this low volume area up here. Nice. There we go. And a little something up here. Nice. Still pushing. This is low volume up here. This is 5,600. 5,600. Low volume on 5,600. And strong passive seller. We do have an internal liquidity level right here too. So we'll see.
Next target north, 5603 volume level.
Come on, I want to see this level get taken out, a big buy bubble, and then a reversal. We're rejecting this level of resistance for the moment. CVD started pushing bearish from 6,000 to about 5,400. What's NQ at? NQ also at a resistance area. It is in a supply zone. Here we go. Let's see. Come on. CVD's pushing lower, which could be a good sign for the bears. Because now we are rejecting this price level. We're not able to break it. 5,600. Yeah, look at that. There we go. And did we hit the low volume area? I mean, we didn't. So I had low volume. Yeah, we have low volume down here too, but I had low volume at 5,600 session volume profile.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. The higher peak there was 98. Tag that. So coming back down.
Might drop here.
Target south, probably around 88.
I think we keep dropping here. Let's see. I'm gonna wait. Not just jumping into anything. 15-minute closes in a minute 36. I wanted to see us sweep this price level on ES. To get that low volume, enter those shorts there. Minute 14 left on the 5-minute and 15-minute. Here we go. Nice. Good job, Akira. Let's see. Other time frames are starting to look bullish. Really want to see this low volume area up here. 27 seconds left. I don't wanna talk to me, no pound gangsta feel. Let's see. Yeah, Kira, we do have a Discord. You check us out, bullishbrs.com. We have a community. If you become a member, you get access to our Discord community. We do pre-market preps. We have a live trader every day. Great place to learn. All right, guys. I am looking for a short up here. We do have to be careful. The 15 did close pretty bullish. All right, going into this low volume area. Not going short yet. I'll take it there, but I'm not a fan, guys. Buyers are so strong right now. Yeah, I'd rather just not even take this trade. A lot of resistance above us. Definitely a lot of resistance above us, but that could just be volume we need to run through. See that, guys? These trades are... oh, well, it could be trades. There could be trades. These are not good trades to take, right? The better trades we were taking were the ones off of demand, with confirmation, off of price levels. Let's see. Don't get me wrong, this does look good on the 5 to continue lower here. And off of this key level on Bookmap, that would be great. Even if we could just sell off for a little bit on this 5-minute. Like, just to push red on this 5-minute for a second would be huge. There we go. Trying. Struggling. No good. No good. No bueno. We killed it this morning, though, guys. I'm going to wrap up the live stream there. Great job today, everybody. Fantastic job. Great work. Great trades. ES been killing it on ES today. CVD really been leading the way. Michigan Sentiment, that also gave us a nice short trade opportunity. Really good reading direction. Really good taking nice, clean trades today. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Take care. On YouTube, if that's